running a business and you want to expand, but you're not sure you want to do it personally, let's talk a little bit about a franchise. So franchising your business or selling a franchise for your business means that you're going to let somebody else essentially run the business for you. You're going to set up as much rules as you want to keep it consistent. The converse side is that you do lose a little bit of control over the business in terms of day-to-day management. You're going to let someone buy into the franchise, meaning they're going to invest capital, which now you don't have to, so that's a plus side. They're going to invest their time and energy, which you don't have to. But you're, in exchange for getting paid, you're going to give them a process to make it easier for them to run a business. Many people want to start a business, but it's hard. It's a lot of work and a lot of things they don't necessarily know about. If you have a proven track record, that might be valuable for somebody to give up part of their profits in order to have like a system right in place that they can just jump on it. Also, depending on your franchise and your business, if you've got a well-known name, well, they're going to leverage that and they're going to enjoy the benefits of brand recognition. So that's a good thing too. Before you set up your franchise, you want to think about, what is it that I'm going to be selling? Is it just process? So for instance, you got a watch repair company, and he said, this is what you do in terms of getting in clients, this is what you do for recruiting new marketing staff, this is what you're going to do in terms of your repairs, and he set it all out. Day one you do this, day two that, and as much detail as you want to ensure that your brand is protected in terms of like a proven track record and a regular experience that a consumer can expect. You want to have the same things over and over again. If you're selling hamburgers, are you selling the meat, or do they get to source it themselves? Are you selling a specific product? So every franchise is a little different, and you want to make sure you got whatever's right for your business, because every business is in fact different, and every franchise can be different. Often, when it's a consumable, the franchise will provide it and will require that the person has to buy from the franchise. There's not always a lot of options in terms of buying and sourcing things from third parties. Maybe they could sell it for cheaper if they got it from overseas, but you want to make sure that the franchise name is protected and you're selling the same quality of goods, and people can go into any franchise and have the same experience. Now, there are a lot of rules in terms of running and starting a franchise, and you have to make sure you follow them, or you can get yourself into a lot of trouble. You're going to need to work with a franchise lawyer for this. This is not one of those things that people can do properly on their own in terms of the level of experience. So you want to make sure that you have this all set up. You work with a franchise lawyer to make sure before you even sell or contemplate selling a franchise to somebody, they've got everything in place and ready to go. They can look over what you have in terms of your paperwork and your procedures so that you have that consistent product, and then you work together to make it go forward so you can expand your business with other people's capital and help and make more money without having to do all the work yourself.